Hey everybody, this is Kevin Duran, this is STEM Studio. I wanted to show you a quick activity that I did over the weekend. Got it from Amazon, and I'm going to show you how to put this together, or how I put this together, and have it up and running with the Raspberry Pi and a few batteries. Join me. This tank chassis kit that I got from Amazon, and when I got it, it was on Prime. But then immediately in my cart, it said that it was going to take like 3 to 6 weeks to get here. And so I couldn't cancel it because it said shipped, but they never gave me any updates. And the only update I received was 3 to 6 weeks. So I thought it was not coming, and I said I was going to cancel it. But now here it is. I can't exactly remember when I ordered it, but I know it's the one that I ordered because it's in blue. So I'm going to do a quick product unboxing. I already opened the box, but I'm going to do a little bit of a better job of getting this out so that you can see it. And let's see if we can build something. done in a weekend. The whole thing took me about maybe 2 hours to build it, maybe actually more than 2 hours to get all of the components in it, trying to figure out where to mount the Raspberry Pi, the motor controller, the batteries, making sure all the wires are in the right place. So let me show you. Here it is. You can see the Raspberry Pi inside there. Here, I would have rather had the batteries placed somewhere else besides right on that front leading edge. It doesn't get in the way of anything. There's clearance between the batteries and where the tracks are, but still, if it had to climb over something, it might jostle the battery pack and maybe knock it loose. So you can see the motor controller in between there, the two motors that comes with it. You can see here that I made sure that there was nothing on the top that allowed it to roll over and do any sort of damage to anything placed on here. So I have plans to mount something, maybe a camera or something on the top that has to be away from or outside of the chassis itself, but everything else is inside the chassis, so you don't run the risk of damaging anything if the thing rolls. And so if it rolled, it would end up just being able to flip over. I did put a switch on so I could turn off the set of batteries. You can see here that these two batteries actually power the Raspberry Pi, and these batteries power the drive, power the motors. And so I would have to replace these or recharge these, but I can keep these batteries in place because I have this module that sits on top of the Raspberry Pi and allows me to recharge the batteries and stay connected to the Pi. So it's cool. I'll put it in the description below. I'll put this in the description below and kind of give you everything, all the tools that I needed to use. I had to do some soldering a little bit just to get my battery pack completed, but overall, sturdy build. Probably the most solid vehicle that I have in my fleet. However you pronounce that, that is that. And not really that hard to put together. So, this is Kevin Duran, STEM Studio. Thanks for watching. Link down below, click down below, like, subscribe, ring the bell, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks for joining me.